Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Ko-Fi and Patreon. Ko-Fi and Patreon are both platforms where creators can earn money directly from their audience, but they work in slightly different ways. Ko-Fi is simple and flexible. It lets your supporters send you one-time tips or donations like buying you a coffee or set up monthly support. You can also sell digital products to commissions with no extra fees. The best part? Ko-Fi takes 0% on donation in the free plan. If you upgrade to Ko-Fi Gold, you get more features like membership and lower fees on shop sales. It's easy to use and great if you want a low-pressure way to start earning. Patreon is more focused on memberships. Supporters subscribe monthly in exchange for exclusive content like behind-the-scenes updates, early access, or bonus materials. It's ideal if you're creating regular content and want a reliable income stream. However, Patreon takes a cut of your earnings between 5% and 12% depending on your plan, and it can feel a bit more structured. In my opinion, if you want more freedom, fewer fees, and the option for one-time tips, Ko-Fi is a great choice. But if you're building a steady monthly income with lots of exclusive content, Patreon might be better. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.